So about 3 years ago I replaced the stock standard check strap on my Peugeot 308 because it was suffering from sort of a loud crack popping noise as you open the door. I put some aftermarket parts in. They were brand new parts, which failed after a couple of years, unfortunately. So I think what happens with these is the nylon rollers wear out. So the bottom roller here, it's a bit hard to see there, but it sort of stops spinning, and then I guess you get a flat spot on there, and it progressively gets worse, and that seems to take the tension off this spring, which means when the door's being opened and closed, that spring is actually popping onto the metal here. I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. So look, if you've got a different idea, then feel free to comment. But anyway, that's the original part, and that's toast. The aftermarket part was fine for quite a while, but I mean, the quality of this is nowhere near as good as the original part, and it suffered from pretty much the same issue with the roller. If I think about some of my older cars, I'm pretty sure these are sort of like a brass or some sort of metal roller, so much more durable. At the moment I've replaced it with another factory part, which I picked up from the wreckers for next to nothing, but that's starting to fail again as well, unfortunately. But I've found a bit of a solution. So on a number of Citroens, on the Citroen C4 for example, they use this. It's a completely different type of mechanism, but the nice thing is it fits perfectly in the Peugeot. You can see this mechanism is quite different. To start with, you've got 3 door positions, so I guess it's sort of a bit of a feature upgrade. The original part only really has 2, fully open and sort of part way. When you put them side by side, the length is pretty much identical, so it'll give you pretty much the same dynamics, I guess, opening and closing the door. Brackets, they fit perfectly in the door, no worries at all. So that's what I'm planning to put in very soon. You can pick these up for next to nothing at the wreckers. So yeah, look, I thought I'd give that a go. This in my Citroen C4. It's got 200,000 Ks on it, and you know, these are fine, no issues at all. Whereas these seem to be a real common problem on the Peugeots. Look, there might be a way of pulling it apart and replacing these rollers with brass or steel or something. Maybe that's an option, but yeah, give it a crack. That's this one here is out of just a 2007 Citroen C4. I think the Picasso is also the same. And the interesting thing, this mechanism is only on the front doors. On the back doors, you've got a very similar sort of setup. So I mean, the front doors are the ones that are likely to have many more cycles, and maybe that's why they've gone for this particular design. Anyway, I thought that might be useful information for someone out there, and if you're suffering from the same problem that I am with these check straps, then yeah, maybe consider looking at the check strap out of the Citroens. At least this style of check strap anyway might be worth checking out. All right, that's it. Thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video and got something out of it. Have a good one. We'll catch you next time.